Hello everybody. This video I'm going to show you how to pair your Sony WH-1000 XM5 via Bluetooth. So let me alright, so I already got my Bluetooth open and my Android phone, and those are my other Bluetooth devices in the house. So it's not here yet. So what you need to do is power on your headset. It's gonna be on the left side. See, it's the red is the right, and the left it's the gray. It's gonna be on your left. This is the power button right here. Just push that. Now it's blinking. It's trying to pair on the device that you had before. Since I never paired this with this phone, what we have to do is hold it until it says ready for pair. It tells you it's pairing mode. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. Nah, he's not. I couldn't hear it. Anyway, he's supposed to say something. He's not. So anyway, here's the. It's blinking like that now. That was like 7 seconds, I think. So it's still not showing here. So what we're gonna do is to refresh. Hopefully it shows up. This is blinking like this. This is in pairing mode now. And still not showing up. That's not good. Let's turn it off. I guess maybe I got too much Bluetooth device in my nearby. So it's looking for my other ones. Let's see. Here it's showing now WH-1000X5. So we just click on that one. Now it's pairing. Now it's asking now take them. What was that thing there? I don't want. I forgot. I didn't read it. Do we now make them yours with the Google Assistant? I say no thanks. Now you're connected. Alright, so that's how you pair the Sony WH-1000 XM5 to your Android phone. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped, and I see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.